day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Tang T5, and on this video, we are going to explore one of its smart feature, and that is the remote photo control. But with the Tang T5, they call it the live camera feature. With this functionality, you can preview, you can see what the smartphone's camera is showing. Okay, hence the name live camera. So we have here the live camera feature. We'll have demo of this. As you can see here, we do have the live camera. You will see a preview here of the smartphone's camera. Okay, so we'll check this. Let's see if it will work. So if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, or you are interested to see this functionality, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin. If you're going to access it here directly, so let's activate this one, live camera. Okay, let's see if it will work. So it seems like it's not going to work. As you can see here, please use the function in the app. So we have to open the application. So what is that app? So we have the application, let's see, WearJoy. So let's open the WearJoy app. Okay, before we proceed to that, okay, will not activate the GPS here. You don't need it. So we have here the live camera functionality. So we'll open this and let's see if the function will work here, or the live camera will open here in our smartwatch. So let's open the live camera, and as you can see here, it is activated. And as you can see here, what the smartphone's camera sees, you will see it here on the smartwatch. Okay, it's a bit slow, but it's a pretty good feature here. Okay, so double screen, as you can see. So you are wearing your smartwatch, you can see what the smartphone sees. Okay, especially if you are using a tripod. Let's wait. So it is a bit slow. It is advisable to remove any Bluetooth connectivity or device that is using the Bluetooth. This one, you can switch from the front camera to back camera. So let's try to capture a photo here. And we have here the picture. Okay, let's have another one. Capture. And we have the photo. Okay, it's a very good functionality here from Tang T5. I think if you do have a very good or fast Bluetooth connection of your smartphone, I'm just using here a simple smartphone, I think the connectivity will be very good. Okay, I'm going to switch the camera here. Okay, as you can see here, we switch the camera. Again, let's go back. Then we are back with the main camera. So as you can see here, it's a new feature for our smartwatch. Before, we just have the shutter camera here, and all you have to do is just put a time or just tap on capture image, and that's it. Now you can see a preview, or you can see in real time what the camera sees on your phone. Again, capture, and that's it. So that's it for our short demo of the live camera preview of our Tank T5. So what do you think of this functionality? Okay, the live camera function of the Tank T5. Again, if you have any questions regarding this demo, drop a comment below. And of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.